going on YouTube? Isaac's Trade here. I hope all my crypto.com holders, hodlers have not sold and have continued to buy these. I wouldn't say low lows, but you know, it is at a little bit of a low price because we do got a catalyst coming right now. And let's jump right on into the catalyst real quick. I'm not going to waste your time because you already know what to do if you're not, this is your first time in here. So crypto.com has a catalyst. It's coming to the US. They're getting ready to launch here, which is very exciting in my opinion, because I've always said you got to have something with the use case, and the use case needs to be something that you're able to use case with. You know what I mean? Like if you're not able to use it, then what the hell is the point of it? So the fact that crypto.com's coming to the United States, that got me so excited. I'm like, fuck yeah. I think I just kind of want to just continue to focus on crypto.com and buy Ethereum Classic, and hopefully when these other ones kind of run up, those shit coins I have, I'm gonna get rid of those ones immediately. But right now the crypto.com is or not crypto.com, the cryptocurrency market is actually holding up pretty well. We're at like 1.9 trillion. Bitcoin's up at almost 42k. We got Ethereum back at almost 3k. Hell yeah. And they're talking about a potential for a short squeeze on the short sellers, because I really don't care about it. Like, I'm not looking for short squeezes or little traps like that. Like, I usually have my own idea of why I'm investing in something and why I like it. If there's some short interest and short squeeze happens and I'm already in there with my seat, let it fucking happen. That's how I look at it. Now let's look at the charts real quick for crypto.com. And remember, this is not financial advice in any which way to fucking buy anything or sell anything. And if you want, we do got a free Discord. Hit me up during my live stream. Everything in here is completely free. I'm not charging nobody anything. I'm not trying to get anything from any of my viewers. I want you to get a fucking long term for at least 5-10 years or something like that, or focus on some cash on the side so that way you could buy the next big dip if you didn't buy this last dip. Now what we're looking at here is, what I'm paying attention to here is this 100 or 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average has it's got this upward trend, and we'll see what's going to happen in the next coming week. I'm hopeful and I believe we'll see this play out where they'll kind of come down. The moving averages will kind of come in here and kind of rub up against the 200-day moving average. We might cross into it for a hot second and cross back in, but I am expecting us to get a nice upward push to at least the 75 cent area. Once we're able to get to 75 cents, be prepared to see this thing skyrocket to $1.50 immediately. And as soon as it comes to the US, I can't really say where it's going to go on that one. Hell, just start buying it before it happens. Don't wait too late, and don't, just keep it small at the end of the day. Keep it small. Don't invest any more than you're willing to lose. But, just at the 200-day moving average here, it has been, it's just continuing to go up. It had this little dip right here, which wasn't really much. I wouldn't even really call that a dip. And even during all this right here, we did come back down to this low price of, what was it? The 33 cent area, which isn't really, not really that low considering where it skyrocketed from, the 20 cents. The fact that it's been able to hold this range here, and it's setting up this, like, I'm not really one for, patterns, but like a bull flag. Hell, there's a head and shoulders in there somewhere. There's even a teacup you can fucking probably, or was it a cup and handle? I'm just paying attention to the moving averages. If the moving average is able to continue this upward trend like it has been doing, I'm getting really excited about crypto.com. Now, I understand that we have a lot of tensions going on in the world. We got this Ukraine, Russia, what do you want to call it? Like, the distraction at the end of the day. Like, it's not good. It's bad. You got, commodities at, record highs they haven't seen in 60 years. Wheat's blowing up. Silver blew up. Oil went to the moon almost, basically. And like where I'm at already with the Ukraine, and I kind of been at, like I've told everybody on my live stream when it first happened, expect it to not be so awe no more. Like when the headlines hit in the beginning, I'm very like, oh my god, what's happening, sell everything. Like now we're not really caring about it. The market's like, we had the FOMC a few days ago. If you don't, not too familiar with that, you know, you should kind of look into it. It's very important. But, you know, that, you know, we had our rate hikes. They're kind of expecting that to kind of, you know, sideline us a little bit, which I kind of believe it will, because if it's anything like the 2018, we did see some little downward pressure, but the fact is we already saw downward pressure before that happened. But it's a completely different time than it was in 2018. The only thing that sucks is we got a lot of people that are cash is getting low right now. Cash is getting extremely low. So like I said, don't invest any more than you're willing to lose, and keep it for 5-10 years. The longer you hold these things, the less it's the less painful these dips are, the less painful it is to hold it. It gets to the point where you don't even care about the price swings in it. Don't care about price fluctuation. That's probably the best advice I got for anybody out there. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and balance the budget. I'm out.